In 1543, Nicolaus Copernicus suggested that the sun did not revolve around the earth, that it was in fact the earth that revolved around the sun. This was perhaps the most revolutionary idea ever proposed, and it ushered in the scientific revolution, one of the most important revolutions of all time. Starting in 1543 with Copernicus' idea of heliocentrism, the scientific revolution went on for almost a century and a half, overthrowing almost all the scientific theories of the time. The scientific revolution was responsible for founding the branch of science we now call physics, while most of astronomy also had to be modified during this period. The astronomer Johannes Kepler, through incredibly accurate observations, laid down 3 laws of planetary motion, which, if true, could prove the heliocentric model of the universe. Then Galileo came along and, although he seriously upset the church, provided more thorough, convincing evidence that the earth spun around the sun, rather than the other way around. The scientific revolution eventually ended in 1687 with Newton's publication of one of the most impressive scientific texts ever, Principia. The 3-volume book laid down the laws of physics that scientists would use until the 1900s. Since then, science has discarded some ideas from the time, but the scientific revolution continues to be an important period in the history of science.